All right, almost finished. Let's do this. 3 4/5. The way he's written. So I'm going to rewrite him. The whole part I'm okay with. It's the fraction part. I'm going to have to do long division. 5 divided into 4. I need some zeros. 5 doesn't go into 4, but it does go into 40 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. And it went into it evenly right away. So it is 3.8. To get my my decimal to a percent, FDP, you're going to move it 2 to the right. So it'll be 380%. Because you're going to take the 3.8 and move it 1, 2. There you go. 4.54. I know the 4 is going to be a whole number, and 0.54 is tenths, hundredths, 54 100ths. And to reduce, that's going to be 4. And again, for time's sake, you can pause the video and do it, or I can tell you that it's going to be 27 over 50, reducing like we did before. And to convert it to a percent, FDP, guys, decimal to a percent, 2 to the right. That's going to give me 454%. 75%. To convert a percentage to a decimal, FDP, we're going to go 2 to the left. So 1, 2. It's going to be 0.75. To get the fraction version of it, 75 tenths, hundredths. 75 100ths is equal to 3/4. 525. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do the percent because I know FDP from decimal to percent, it's 2 to the right, which will give me 52.5%, right? And then to get the the fraction version of it, read it. 525 tenths, hundredths, thousandths. And I would never be that mean to you. But it does reduce to 20 over 40. Okay, here's one of those that we're supposed to memorize. 2/3 is supposed to be 0.6 repeated forever, which helps us when we're writing the percent part of it, because I know I can expand it out to 3 of them, then move it over, and we can say 66.6 repeated percent. For the 7 over 50, to come up with the decimal version of it, we're going to do 50 divided into 7. I need some numbers, so I'm going to go ahead and bring a couple more on there. 50 doesn't go into 7, but it does go into 70 one time. I'm going to subtract and bring down the rest of the number. 50 goes into 204 times. And evenly. So my decimal version is 14. And now we know FDP, to get from a decimal to a percent, it's 2 to the right. So I'm going to end up with 14%. I enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next lesson.